Hi, my name is Chiam Lee Er. My metric number is 161020814. So now we are in Wireshark page and I would like to show you how to use pin to get a network. So first choose Wi-Fi and capture filter. I choose ICMP type, enter, and then open command prompt. So pin a network or IP address. I choose to pin www.unimed.edu.ny. Enter. So now you can see the result show in the command prompt is same like the result show in the Wireshark. The only different thing is command prompt only show the reply, but the Wireshark show request and reply. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Xinyin and I'll explain about traceroute. Traceroute is a utility to find out the exact path a packet takes from source to destination. It uses ICMP, which is a supporting protocol in TCP/IP that sends error messages. Whenever a routing device receives a packet it doesn't know what to do with, it'll send an error message back to the source. First, to start capturing the packet, I have Wireshark open up here and I'm connected to Campus Pauh network. So I'm going to choose net Wi-Fi and I'm going to apply the filter ICMP. Now that I have Wireshark running, I'll start traceroute. I'll make a traceroute to a Google public DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. Now that the trace route is complete, we can see that it has a total of 13 hops. First, a packet is sent to the router 10.12.128.2 from the source, which is 10.12.139.251 with a TTL of 1. When the packet is sent to the router, it is decremented by 1. That makes it TTL equals to 0. So it sends a TTL exceeded error message back to the source. A total of 3 similar packets are sent to get the average round-trip time, which is, you can see, 6 milliseconds, 15 milliseconds, and 2 milliseconds. In the second hop, it sends another packet with TTL equals to 2. When it reaches the first router, TTL is decremented by 1, which is equals to 1, and when it reaches the second router, TTL is equals to 0. So TTL exceeded error message is sent back to the source. Here we can see that is the second hop, and it continues the process until it reaches the 13th hop, which is the destination at a Google public DNS server 8.8.8.8. And that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nurul Syaza binti Muhammad Asri from RK20. Today, I would like to present about TCP. TCP is stand for Transmission Control Protocol. That's define how to establish and maintain a network conversation via application program. So, first, we need to choose which network we want to use. there is lots of things is loading, so we can use filter TCP. So for TCP, we go to the last packet, the last transmission control protocol SRC. This is the last packet that is transmit. Thank you.
My name is Ooi Chian Ni. Now I would like to do an analysis of Campus Pauh network with Wireshark, and the protocol I would like to use is DNS. First of all, I will choose Wi-Fi. Then I will open Google Chrome. The website I choose is www.google.com. Then I return back to the Wireshark, and we can clearly see that there is a lot of different type of protocol. And the protocol I would like to capture is DNS protocol. As we know that DNS protocol is an application layer protocol with distributed database that resides in multiple machines in the internet. I will choose one of them. Then DNS usually involve short messages and so uses service provided by the UDP. So under the Internet Protocol, we can see that the protocol is UDP. Then it also well known as port 53. So under the User Datagram Protocol, the source port will be 53. Then this info stated that the standard query response of the packet response is about 0.00357 seconds, which is the time between the query and the response, DNS time. Now I will open command prompt, and I will key in ipconfig. And this show that the connection specific DNS service and the IP address is 10.12.145.183, which is same with our destination. And we can see that the source will be 10.03.90 and the destination will be 10.12.145.183 in this line. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hee Hooi Hooi. I will present about the analysis to HTTP protocol, which is Hypertext Transport Protocol. First, I make a request towards a random website, which is Portal Unimap. Then I enter the filter with HTTP and enter. Then we get a lot of HTTP requests, and I just click the first one. From the first, which is indicate the physical layer, which is 152.2.458 bytes on wire, which it indicate the physical layer. Then the second is internet 2. Here is the source, and this indicate the MAC address of Pauh network card of wireless networks, and this destinations is indicate the MAC address of the router that are using. Then the third is indicate internet protocols, which is version 4, and the source is source This address is IP address of the source of the Pauh networks, and the destination indicates the IP address of the website that I request, which the mail name is Bottom Unimet, and next is Transmissions Control Protocol, which is TCP. The source port is 56154. This is the ports we are transmitting our informations toward the destination ports. It's generated randomly by our machines, and the destination port is 18, which is HTTP ports, and then the last one is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is the applications layer, and the request method is GET, and then this request URI, which is the file, which is the files we are requesting from the website. And then we can see the host, which is the website we are send the request, and then the last we can see the language, which is the language that are default language of the browser, and some more. Then thanks, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatin Izzati binti Adzli. Today I will explain about IPv6. Firstly, we go to command prompt and open it. Then we type ipconfig. All the addresses will appear on this command prompt. Then we go to Wireshark apps. Choose Wi-Fi. So all the addresses will appear in the list. Then we go to the filter bar and type IPv6. So the address turned into IPv6. Choose any addresses. Then we go to Ethernet 2. It will show the destination and source, and it also captures all the activities and details of IPv6 here. That's all from me. Thank you.